Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I want to tell you about 3 opportunities coming up and coming up fast. First of all is Dolls Gone Goth on the 16th. It's really a crazy one, but fun. Barbecue in a graveyard. You can interpret that any way you want. You can do a picnic. Your doll can just be eating a hamburger. We don't care. We just want to see what you come up with. I brought Elvira down because I wanted to reiterate that you can use any doll for the Dolls Gone Goth. We welcome every doll. We don't care. And then after that, by 2 days, is the Barbie collab. And I brought these dolls down in a box just because that's who I grabbed. The Barbie collab is for apps, well, they're all for everyone, but the Barbie is the easiest to participate in because you can get a Barbie for a couple of bucks at a thrift store or garage sale. I've seen them for $1.50. Yes, even now. The Barbie theme this month, I love. Vehicle. Any kind of vehicle at all. Whether it's a car or a truck or a horse or a wheelchair or boots, whatever that vehicle that you choose is, we would like to see it. And then coming up on July 3rd is Amaya Raine Day. Amaya Raine Day is just the title of it. And the truth is, you can use any rainbow high or shadow high doll of any size to participate. It's all for fun. These are just for fun. And on July 3rd, we are going to do Stars and Stripes summer clothes. And just show us any stars and stripe clothing or setup or however you want to do it, or just summer clothes. We just want to have fun. Each of these challenges are for 10 a.m. Central on those particular days. That is June 16th, June 18th, and July 3rd. I do these with Dory at Dory's Dollies, and please go by today and see her video invitation. Leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe to both of us, and thank you so much for watching. We really do appreciate our subscribers.